Ladies and gentlemen, how's it going? Once again, I'm Nev from Nev's TechBits, otherwise known as your friendly neighborhood basement dweller. Don't worry, ma'am, I am from the internet, and from the internet, we love our gaming laptops. Oh yeah, look at that keyboard light up. Yes, friends, this is the kind of laptop that you get when you're not an Apple guy and you want to tell your friends and family and everyone you play against that you are a better human being than them because you have this one thing and they don't. She's so big and beautiful with all kinds of hookups and power. It's really not all that heavy either, considering all the power that it has in it. At the back, you can see we got all the giblets. USB-C, USB, VGA, HDMI, Cat5. It uses the bigger kind of power though. Over on the left, we have USB-C and headset. Over on the right, we have USB and a little switch that you can use to turn your camera on and off. That is interesting. I haven't seen that before. Holy frick, look at that power. 16 frickin' cores and an RTX 360 GPU. My goodness. Well, I can tell you one thing. It definitely mines Bitcoin better than anything else that I have. Oh, wow. So I guess this is what Fortnite is supposed to look like. 60 frames per second in the waiting room. Everything's looking really good. And we're still getting some minor glitches and hiccups. I bet that's just as people are loading in though. Alright, we're in the sky at 60 frames per second. We're looking down. We can see all those roads, and the bus looks immaculate. Now, we are going down at 60 frames per second, and of course, I am going to grief one of these poor bastards. Squid dude, I choose you. I should probably be riding on a board that doesn't give me away so much, eh? Where'd he go? Boom, headshot. Can I get him? Oh, yes! Yes! Oh, headshot! Now, what was he shooting at? Might have something to do with that shark. Watch me shoot the shark with it. Watch me shoot the shark with a flare gun. Oh, he did not like that. Sometimes it's just faster to take the river, my guys. Also, I'm being real cheap because I'm pretty sure that the skin I got gives me an unfair advantage in the water. Camouflage, my guys. Look, Terrence, treasure. Oh my gosh, is this going to be one of those levels where I spend the whole time exploring and just get taken out by a sniper randomly at the end? Whoa, flying shark! Air shark! Land shark! Oh, almost had him. Almost had him. Oh, we got each other simultaneous! Beautiful! Oh, I love simultaneous. Simultaneous kills are the best. He's got to be hurt and he's got to be feeling it. I know I'm feeling this. Did he just bring me a magical orb? Oh! Good times, it looks great. Alright, Grand Theft Auto's looking beautiful, looking real sleek. Standing still at 149 frames per second, got me a white Lambo. 122 frames per second as I'm running down the road, real smooth. Oh, that's smooth. I've never felt smoothness such as this. I'm not seeing anything jagged at all. Everything's looking super cool, super jagged. Yeah, Zoe?
You can read it in the background, that's my daughter. Wow.
Yeah, Leroy Jenkins. So yeah, not so bad. Uh-oh.
Buddy? What happened?
Nothing, I'm fine. I just got hit by a giant truck and I'm just fine. This is legit just a lot of fun. Alright, next up, you knew we couldn't get through this without some Cyberpunk 2077. Alright, rocking out at 51 frames per second. I've never seen this at 50 frames per second. Jeez, that's smooth. That is so nice compared to all the budget GPUs that I've been using recently. Looking good. Looking good. So if you got $2,000 and you like to play the Vadio games, then this is definitely what you want. If you want to be mining, this might not be what you want, although it does actually bring in a reasonable amount. Catch you later, guys, and hack the planet.